Hey everyone, this is Matt King with the King Piers team, out here with another update on our project in Independence. We are just about finished up with this project. We have our guys on the outside doing the backfill, getting that trench brought back up to ground level. As you know, on these projects where we are straightening a foundation wall back to vertical, we have to relieve that exterior pressure on the outside of the wall, so we have to dig all the way down to the footing to properly relieve that wall of all that pressure, and that makes it so much easier to tilt it back to vertical. All the braces here, you can see we were out here late last week, kind of chipped out the concrete that was encasing the bottom end of the braces so we could maneuver them around just a bit and get them into place. They are now tight up against the vertical foundation wall. We redid some of the floor joist work to tighten in the upper end of the braces, and these are what's going to be keeping this wall vertical from leaning inward. So we were on the outside Saturday getting everything tilted back. A lot of it was leaning outward, so we tilted that back from the outside using a combination of hydraulic bottle jacks, 6x6 treated wood, support beams, and angle iron. So we are just about finished up with that. We're gonna chip out and pull up some of this polyurethane here we originally had on the seam on this wall, just so we could reapply it now that the wall is in its vertical position. And then we just have a last little bit of cracks left here to repair with epoxy, but that'll be quick. Outside, we'll take another quick look. Once we get that backfill done, we have just one concrete pad we're looking to pour tomorrow. That was initially what we had to pull up to start the excavation. So once we get everything back in, we'll get all this concrete cleaned out, and then we'll just simply pour this new pad all the way. Came out approximately to here, and then about to where that pile starts. So all this dirt's going to be filled back in. Again, I want to point out we sealed this foundation from the top of the footing with foundation tar, and then also used a combination of polyurethane and fast setting epoxy to seal all the exterior sides of the cracks. We're in the process of finishing up that right now. And we just do that to ensure that we've sealed any kind of possible opening for water to infiltrate into the house. We don't just want to straighten the wall, we want to make sure we've sealed and found any kind of crack that we possibly can, and just repair that. It's easy to do. So we just kind of go that extra mile on all these jobs. It's not part of our original bid scope, but we just do it anyway because we want to fully repair these foundations whenever we're working on them. So stay tuned for more updates. You can find them on our YouTube and Facebook channels. Just search for King Piers LLC, and while you're there, please give us a like and subscribe. You can also go to our website, www.kingpiers.com. And of course, you can always give us a call, 1-816-288-4373.